one over under the feeder there is big too. See him?
I'm recording him.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. You don't have to. He is huge. Shit.
Big.
I don't know. There's one on the left side too. That big one there.
Oh yeah.
Big monster there. Oh, there's a bigger monster just came in from the left side.
Yeah, that one that's asses to us is big too. And he turns sideways.
Ooh. That big one right there on the right side. Oh, there's another big one. You can see their tusks. It's pretty good.
Boy, they just go still to eat, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Shower
There's a couple of them
down.
laid down, I think, on the left side, isn't it? Or no?
No, I think it's just overlap.
Oh, there's a bunch of them on there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I put leftover. We had some leftover feed up there. I put it in there. Look at that big one, man, on the right side.
Well, I was gonna say too, if that dog food goes to
Yeah,
help
I was
with
gonna
it,
put some up there. I was thinking about
they'll
just
eat
starting.
that too.
Oh, I know. I was thinking about putting some up there from before it does go bad anyway. Start putting some out. Not all of it, but a little bit here and there.